If you really want an experience that is going to enhance your business, definitely you need to go to Business Mastery.
I have to say this has got to be one of the most heart-changing, life-changing events that I have attended.
It's not about numbers, it's not about figures, it's truly about yourself.
I would definitely recommend it to any business owner.
Now I'm crystal clear now about my why.
It's what I was asking for myself, for my business, for my foundation, for moving forward.
What an exciting 3 days. If you want your business to grow, you need to be here.
When I found out the event was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I thought that's going to dip into my business time. After attending, it was worth every minute. And the time that I spent, I will gain back tenfold.
I'm always busy and I'm always scheduling things, and when I had the event in mind, something actually was in the way of that. I just needed to sacrifice a lot of things just to move it around so that I could be here today. I'm so grateful that I did do that. It took me to another level.
The amount of information that I'm receiving from this is more than enough for me to move on and just take those tidbits and apply immediately.
And when I walked in, I just felt like the energy was so different and so honest from the team, from the staff.
It's an hour-and-a-half distance from where I am, but that's just symbolic of what I need to do to get my business to where it needs to go. It's just, I have to go the distance to get to where I need to be.
It's an experience you're going to have to see it to believe it and to feel it.
If you're a busy mom, you need to be here and own your dream. You're not only serving yourself by being here, but you're serving your whole family too.
This was something that I didn't even sign up for. My friend told me to come along with him, and I didn't know if I could really take the 3 days, but I'm so glad that I showed up. You really need to be here to experience all the things that are going to help you move forward in your business.
One thing I appreciate about Make Your Mark is it's not just a pitch fest. I've been to other events with other people, but at Make Your Mark, they're honest, their integrity is impeccable.
So I originally signed up for Business Mastery at another Make Your Mark event, and I thought about actually just not even attending because I sort of lost the enthusiasm that I originally had when I had signed up, but because of the value that I've gotten out of the last 3 days, I'm so glad that I did.
You have to come and be a part of Make Your Mark. If you are starting a business or been in a business for 20 years, you need to be here because you will watch your business explode.
I came to learn and I learned.
I have come down here paying for a hotel and everything because I know it's worth it to come, and it has just been an amazing experience and I can't recommend it highly enough.